Alrighty, we are at ground zero inside the van. It is very messy in here at the moment. Say hi, Theo. Basically what I'm doing is getting ready to install my panels on the roof. So I'm just preparing to get the cabling down through the ceiling. So what I've done is I have taken off one of my boards from the ceiling, taken some of the insulation out. I'm talking to the camera, Theo. Is that okay?
Yeah.
It's a video. Yeah. Anyway, so I have worked out it's actually not too difficult. So I'm going to drill a hole through the roof up here. This is my solar cable. It's going to come down through this hole, which will be very nice.
Look at me, Daddy.
Hold on, buddy. And then down it comes through this side pillar, which comes all the way down to here. And then it's just going to come out, and I'm going to have my battery box here with my solar charge controller mounted all nice and neatly underneath the bed frame. So I'm really happy with that. I think it's going to be very neat. And I'm also going to have, which I don't have in front of me here, is I've got a 4G aerial, external aerial, which I'm also going to mount on the roof. It just means we're going to get a bit better reception. I've got a Wi-Fi modem, which I'm going to put in as well. Look here, Theo. So that way the van will always have quite a strong cellular connection, which should be good. Hey, buddy. And it means we can use our laptops and devices and stream movies and things as we're on the go. So bye, Theo.
Bye.
I am on the roof. Okay, so there's my 4G aerial over on this side. And here's my junction box, which I'm going to mount right here. So I've just got to drill a hole, and I will time-lapse the process for you, so stay tuned. First up, I use a small bit just to drill a pilot hole. Then I just duck underneath and check that I've put it in the right spot, which is the moment of truth. And then hit it with a larger hole enlarging bit. These are a fantastic little tool. If you don't have one, I highly recommend getting one. Finally, I drill the same size hole into the little junction box that I've got, and then I will go check underneath to make sure everything looks good. So I have put the junction box on the roof. This is a sealed junction box. Cables are nicely in there. I've got my 4G aerial over here, which I'm just going to tack along to this. My solar PV cables running through the roof. And then we've got this now. So I've got the cables through the roof, coming in, down the side panel here, which you might just be able to see. And then they pop out down here. So I think this will be good. Alrighty, small update. Here are the panels. The wood battens in the middle. I'm now about to put the side pieces on, and then off that I'll be able to mount my side awning. Alright, so I've got most of the wood bracing up now. My cross pieces. I've got my side piece as well, which is what my side awning is going to mount to. So it's all looking quite good in the gloss white. So you can see I've just got the panels propped up at the moment, which is why they're on a funny angle, just while I'm finishing the cabling underneath. But everything's all framed in. And so I'm going to mount my side awning off this. It's nice and sturdy. It's looking really good. I'm very happy with it. Here it is from the back. And then here's the business end, where I'm just about to silicon underneath this, silicon around, stick it down. I've got a couple of screws in there as well that will completely secure it in place. And then I'll drop these panels down, and then they'll be secured in this whole framing system just with a couple of screws. They don't need too much, they're really tight in here. It's a super snug fit. So just a couple of screws will help in from the sides. That'll just stop them rattling around. It also means that if I ever need to access them, it's really easy to do that. I just take out a couple of screws. So I'm going to get the siliconing done, and then I will put this other side piece on once the panels are sitting flush, and then I'll show you how it looks in its finished state. See you soon.